Now people will go. He's pretty.
This one's better than the other one in the other room. Like that back cover wasn't on and there was an exposed fan. I was like, man, the boy gonna get his finger chopped off.
We don't go across and he kills. I mean, he will pick him up.
Oh, okay. I thought that he's going to send them to the ship today. That's what he said.
Wow, shoulder boy.
Hey man, good to meet you. Yeah, dude, it's all good. It was close, man. Good to meet y'all.
This is showtime for Project 961, the giant show. We got Joe, the Indian midget, out here at the extended stay on exit 10, Old Milton Parkway, off of Highway 400. We're gonna go into this storage room right here. Josh, the maintenance man, he's good enough to let us come into the hotel and then go into this storage room where he's got an extra refrigerator that will not be used in a room at any time.
Yeah, no guests will have to put their food in this.
He's going to let us see if we can fit Joe into this freezer, since our HR people, Mosetta, wouldn't let us do it up to station. So we'll be ready to go in just a couple minutes. To do it. Okay, we're gonna let Josh from extended stay and J-Rock pick him. I'm opening up the freezer now. Okay, guys, get his feet. One get his arms. Josh is grabbing his feet, and J-Rock's got him by the arms. He's up in the air. His feet's in the freezer. Now his ass is in there. What up, Joe? Shove him forward. Put his head in there. Put his head in there. There you go. Get your arms in there, Joe. Come on,
Come on,
we can't get his afro in there, Brian. Everything's in, but his shoulders and his head. His shoulders is too broad to go in. His afro's too big around to go into the door.
Well, we can scoot you with your legs poking.
Yeah, like pull your legs up.
Okay, Brian wants an extra shove and a oomph, trying to get him in. Come on, no, we're turning the Put your head down, Joe.
Yeah, that's it.
He can't go in there, guys. We're about to turn the refrigerator over.
Hold on.
Okay, try to push him in there with the door.
With the door?
Yeah, try to push him in. Push him in there. Push him in there with the door. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. What up, Joe?
Ball up, man, like a baby.
Hey,
that's it.
He's calling up mercy. Joe's climbing mama now the freezer.
Oh, man.
Hey, so I'm sorry for you guys, but Joe the Indian,
it was almost everything.
Still not fit in the freezer.